So daghan kog video na buhat today na wala gid mahuman. So we're just gonna come here in my garage with all the brickworks and all the man cave names up here. Mag-discuss na ta about the things that I'm using at the moment. This is an exclusive here for this channel. Kay wala man ko mag-video ani sa akong English na vlog cause gitapol ko. But right now, I'm feeling na I'm gonna just do the Bisaya. Wala gid ko mag-inis akong sinin na hugaw kayo. But I'm just at home. Who cares? Anyway, first of all, we're gonna discuss about the gears that I have been using, that I have been wanting, that I have been enjoying a lot. So let's start. First of all, this one here. This is my bread and butter. This is my forever favorite camera na murag wala kay na ko ginagamit. This is my FX3. I love this camera. I love how it handles. Pero wala na ko siya ginagamit for personal work kayo. Palagsara. And then what I do with this camera here is that more onto sa tripod kay hadlok man ko maguba. It's funny, people are saying na wala na ko ma-maximize ang gamit ani because I don't use it for handheld much. I don't use this camera much, though I very love this camera. This is one of my favorite cameras. The price ever since pagpalit na ko until now, it's still almost the same. So you can think of depreciation and everything and so magtuo ka nga ang camera mo barato after a few years or after a long time na ginagamit. This one still stays pretty good. It's pretty good. By the way, naka 2.8 ko. Let's change our aperture. Okay, going for a more shallow depth of field. Murag hayag yapon. Okay, there it is. So, going for a more shallow depth of field, pero murag ni vignette kamay akong kilid. I don't care. Anyway, yeah, muna siya. This is my FX3. I usually put a cage on it. I protect this with my life. Yeah, na pa-repair din ako once because ang kaning ihang LCD screen, kaning swivel diri niluag. So, I just had it serviced. So, it should be good. I am using also this cage here from Small Rig. Naga-focus ako mata. This cage here from Small Rig. And yeah, it's my favorite. Nagasgas na siya gamay kasi the last time, yeah, wala siya asa naman eh. Naunsa na ni. Wait. Tapos nagkapuan ko. So there you go. So, nagasgas ni siya kasi I had it used by a colleague niya kanang na discuss siya mag-get cage ra. But yeah, that's it. So kaning camera ganahan ko niya pero ginaprotektahan ako so wala kay nako gina used to the fullest extent. But lately I've been using this camera now because I have a feeling na anay version 2 ani mo abot, so I need to save up, sell some of my gears and get the version 2 because the version 2 is gonna be good. I never got the A7S III, which is before this. I never get any other nice camera for a while for video. So basically, this is my best video camera, which is very good, which is very, 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 very good. Yeah, tarungon tani. Tarungon taning kuan be. And yeah, also, I don't script my videos. I don't prepare for them. I just wing it. So kung na ko'y mga sayop. And also, di sa ko kanang sponsored. So let's just film whatever's happening today. Let's just have fun. The next thing that I'm gonna mention is this one here. I have my Tamron 35 to 150 lens, which is this lens here. So kani siya nga lens ako lang gikuan. Ako na siyang gikabiran sa kanang skin. My favorite lens for shooting main cam on wedding because maka 35 ka and then maka 150 ka. It doesn't have stabilization but I still love it. I've had this for a long time already. I just got kaning murag ihang kuan murag collar. But the thing is, yes, I've been using this lens for tanog ang camera for a very, very long time and I'm so happy with it. The thing is, pag baligya na sa ako ani, after man sa COVID, baligya ni sa kuha sa kanang akong suki sa tindahan. And what happened was, after napalitin ako siya, it took like 6 months before the new stocks to come in. So I had this lens for like 5 months, 4 months, 6 months, I don't know. Kanang niya, wala giparihan ako ba because it's hard to buy this that time. So I just got the last copy for that season. and I'm proud to say that this lens is very good. Until now, it's still good. At the moment, kung mutanaw ka sa sulod, I don't know if you can see it clearly over there. Kanang naa siya mga dust sa sulod. Because the lens is like an accordion. Every time you zoom or unzoom, basta zoom lens mo, inanagin maghugaw ginagin. But again, this one here is always paired with this camera because kanang di mo ko ganahan ba malmal ni nga camera ha. So I put this on a gimbal. I put this on a tripod. Nya kaninduhan may Paris pirmi. But lately, since I love this camera, I've been using it a lot. A few weddings currently, ginatangtangan ako cage ko glide ko. At the same time also, ako pangano. At the same time also, ubog yung guda. I've been using this with another lens, which is one of my best lenses, which I don't usually use. So kani siya ginaprotektahan din ako. I don't use it much sa gimbal. I use my A1, which is pakita na makadali. This is my Sony A1, which is more of my photo camera. So I haven't been using this, but lately ginagamit ako. Ibalik na ako magsulti. I've been using it with my favorite lens na ginaprotektahan sa ako, which is this one here. It's the Sony. It's the Sony 28-70 f2. So this lens is very big. So ako na siyang try glide. It's just too heavy. It's just too much. So I use this for handheld or kanang nasa gimbal. I mean nasa tripod. This is a very good lens. This is the f2. It's just too big. Wala siya IS, but it's still a very good lens. It's one of my favorite. Ako siyang patang skin sad, and I bought expensive filters like the Nisi Armor filter. And also I bought kanang the Nisi ND filter, which is somewhere in the bag. Ikapoy ko kuha. So I've just got the best things for this camera here. And yeah, I mean this lens here, the camera, this lens, I got the best things for it. I'm protecting it. I'm loving this lens so much. I'm using it more such for photos, and I can see that my battery is running low. I'm going to change my battery at the moment. Okay, we're back in service. Naglobat ko ganina. I think I'm gonna lower the light a bit more. So yes, naglobat ko ganina because I didn't do it. Anyway, so balik ta. Recap kay wala mo ko naga script ani nga akong mga vlogs. So I forget what I'm saying. Recap. I love this camera here. It's the Sony FX3, one of my favorite cameras, and I'm pairing it most of the times with my favorite, not so favorite, but favorite sad kanang 35-150 Tamron. But lately I'm pairing this with this 28-70 f2, which is a very good lens. Pretty expensive, but got it on special from my friend. Yes, and I was kanang muna akong ginagamit for me before for glide. This is my Sony A1. It's one of the best all-around camera. Nana siya Mark II karon, but I'm stuck with the A1 because I mean the original, because the thing is this is very expensive. So, and lately I have the A7 V, which is this camera body here. So it's a hybrid, the real hybrid camera at the moment. It's good for photos, may siya pang photo, may siya pang video. It's good now na compared to the previous version, which is the A7 IV. This one can do 4K 50, 4K 60 in full frame, although ang iyang noise cancellation is gonna go noise reduction noise reduction will go a bit lower. But this camera is very good, has the AI chip, can do silent shutter, is very good for photos. But sakto day, we're just gonna talk more about the video gears that I'm using now. Again, we're March 2026, just that you know. Wala lagi ko mag script ani ako mga vlogs, so I'm gonna keep on jumping around. I think my brain's just not organized, so just how I do it. So this is one of my favorite right now. So I use this lens also most of the times for vlogging, for everything. Most of the cameras, it's the Tamron 20-40. I can do 20, I can do 40. And gina-pair na ko siya aning A7C2, which we are filming now because A7C2 is so light. It's more of my vlogging everyday camera. I was planning nga kaning A7 V will be my new everyday camera, but nothing beats the small body because you can bring it everywhere. So yeah, basically those were my favorite things, my favorite lenses. I have consolation kanang mga honorable mention lenses. So kanisha is the Tamron. Here it is. Wala siya na focus. It's the Tamron 28 to 105 2.8. I mean Sigma. Sayop day Sigma. Sigma 28 to 105 2.8. It's very good lens also. Nindot siya kung mag-main camera ka nasa tripod. Suddenly, you have to film somebody close, so you can just go wide. And then you can just go. Naamay ka ng 24 to 105 ang Sony, but it's f4. Although na siya stabilization. Kani wala siya stabilization. So, careful sa paggamit. But this is a 2.8. Ang di lang ako ganahan niya is the zooming is opposite. Like, nagtak. Ang zooming niya is not the Sony zoom. Opposite iyang pag-rotate. I think it's more of a Canon zooming. So I get confused most of the times with this. But kanisha is just comes handy when you're in a rush. You need another camera on the other side, and you just need to zoom in, zoom out. You can just get all the ranges. That's good. The latest one that I have acquired, which is making it fun for me, is this lens here. It's the focus. It's the Sony 20-70 f4. So the good thing about this is more of a travel lens, and I've been using it a lot sa pag-shoot na kog weddings also. It's like 20 mil 170. It's like a travel lens. You can do wide, you can do telephoto, you can do both. Though ni sacrifice ang yung aperture, which is f4. So medyo dark siya, but yeah, with all these cameras you can go around. For this one, you can go ISO 12,800. That's the second native ISO, so limpyo siya. This one does 4,000 though. That's just fine. Ang A75 does 8,000 second native ISO. So you can just pump it up. Kung photos, sikwati ka. So, but we're talking about videos now. But this one is so light. You can put it on a gimbal. It's just an f4. Murag yung akong konsa niya. It's just an f4. They say na ang wide end is kanang na siya distortion. Yeah, but I can live with that. The only thing is the kanang kuanan siya, kanang f4. But f4, I'm working on f4 because I'm trying to stick to the native ISO niya ako na lang ginasaka ang aperture. So I'm getting like f4, 5.6 sometimes. So it's fine. This is fine. This is one of it. But if you ask me which is my real favorite camera for video, I'd always go for the FX3. It's very good, but I don't use it much, so I don't do it justice. Last time I kept on using my A1, which is one of the best hybrid cameras. It's expensive though. So if you have any questions about these cameras here or anything, just drop me a line, ask me something. I can talk to you about it. But other than that, yeah, that's gear talk for today.